Hi, I am Manimadhavi, SJPS, working at ZPHS Kosuru. Let us learn the chapter force from 8th class. The first chapter. The force means it's a pull or push. The first we learn about it is about the movement of the objects, how the objects move. The things move because of push or a pull. That may be fast, slow, back and forth, round and round, slide, zigzag, that may be anything. So, what is force? It's simply a push or pull of an object. See, here you can see some of the examples when the objects are pulled, the dog is pulled there, and the seesaw playing, the pulling of the seesaw. All this comes under push and pull forces. Now, different types of forces are two types. One, the contact forces, the other one is non-contact forces. Force which is applied only which are objects in contact are contact forces. They are muscular force, friction force, net force and normal force. The non-contact forces are without any contact. They are magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravity. Now let us learn first contact force, that is first one is muscular force. All the objects, all the human beings, all the animals do all the forces because of muscular forces. Running, jumping, throwing, here the arrow is drawn, all these comes under mechanical force applying or using the muscular force. The next second one is frictional force. The friction, see, the boy is pulling that book's shelf, but to that opposite in direction the frictional force will be acted upon. So opposite, the force acting in the opposite direction is called as a friction. There are many examples of friction, and without friction we cannot assume the life. So rubbing two hands creates a warmth. This is due to friction. Similarly, cars. See, the next one is normal force. Normal force is a force which acted upon every object against the gravitational force. Gravitational force opposite in direction will be the normal force. So every plane surface will be acted by the normal force. The table, on that book, normal force is acted on the upward direction. The next force is the tensional force. So any object that is hanging or tied with a thread or a spring, all comes under tension. All that the rope will be formed, some of the loops are formed in the rope. All that is due to the tension. So tensional force means it's due to the tension of the wire or a thread. A monkey hanging on the branch it creates a tension in their muscular forces also. The another one is a net force. So here the boy is dragged from the both sides. The resultant will be who has more force will be that side the boy will be moved. So here you can see due to the net force the two puppies are dragging the meat 10 newtons from one side and 12 newtons from the another side. Due to that resultant net force will be 2 newtons on to the right side. So then another example, on a book two forces are acting, that is normal force 20 newtons upwards and gravitational force 20 newtons downwards. The resultant will be 0 newtons, plus 20 and minus 20, 0. Similarly, if you assume left and right, 20 newtons from left and 20 newtons from the right side, the resultant will be, the net force will be the 0 newtons. So next force is a type of non-contact forces, that are first one gravitational force. So this is because of gravitational force, the Earth's attraction, you can see all the fruits are falling down, all the leaves falling down. When a ball thrown up will be comes towards the earth, and also the moon is revolving around the earth due to the gravitational force. The another force is magnetic force. That magnetic force, you can see force that can be applied without any contact between two bodies is called a non-contact, and the best one is magnetic force. All the nails will be attracted towards a magnet. Here, the earth itself acts as a big magnet. you can assume. I correlate the magnetic force of attraction and gravitational force of attraction, because there is very relation between the both. As magnet attracts the needles, in the same way earth is attracting every other objects towards itself. So the two poles, north pole and south pole, more energetic, more attractive power is present in the poles of the magnet. And due to that magnetic force of the earth, all objects are attracting towards itself. The last force of attraction, non-contact forces example is electrostatic force. Electrostatics is a branch of electromagnetism dealing with the effects of electric charges at rest. So every objects around us are filled with positive and negative charges. As there are two charges, all the objects are filled with positive and negative charges. See, best example, when on a rainy day, you can see thundering and storms are forming. So these thunderings and storms are due to the charges, electric charges. That much of electricity is produced due to the simple charges. So charges transfer takes place from the clouds towards the earth. Due to the transfer of charges, that thundering on all those will be formed. So like charges will be repelled and unlike charges will be attracted. Here I have shown a simple demonstration about the electrostatic force of attraction. The things required are ballpoint pen and pieces of papers. See, simple to do is rub the ballpoint pen onto the hair, on a dry hair especially, then put the ballpoint pen towards the piece of papers. Then you can observe that the pieces of papers are attracted towards the ballpoint pen. This is why it happens, because the ballpoint pen has gained some of the charges. Due to the rubbing onto the hair, some charges are transferred from the hair to the pen, and due to that some positive or negative charges developed. Due to the charges, from the charges has developed. Thank you, and thank you so much.